Okay, Mr. Harmless here, and this is a problem that I was hoping that you would give it a nice, healthy attempt. Give it a shot. It says linear perspective is a method designers use to show three dimensions in a picture. Okay. The simplest way to use linear perspective is to select one point in the distance called a vanishing point. So notice that's what we have right here, a vanishing point. And if you're an artist, you've probably employed this method before. The objects in the picture below follow lines called perspective lines back to the vanishing point. It says here, are the real life heights of the two houses the same or different? Now, the way to tell that is to simply say, notice, if it is, these lines should all be the same. So what I'm going to do is now you could use a ruler. I have this line tool that I'm going to start right here at the vanishing point, and I'm going to draw it right along that. And notice it goes right along both of those roof points, right? So this shows me that since these also go to the same vanishing point, that they are the same height. So are they the same height? Yes. And how you can tell is by drawing this perspective line. Okay. So that's what you would put for the rest of this question. Okay. Now the next question involves a tree, so I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines, and then we'll take a look at what the question asks. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Let's switch colors. Let's go orange. Green for trees, right? Okay, so I'm going to go to this vanishing point, and let's line up the edges of this tree. Okay, notice that works pretty good. Let's do another one here. That's the bottom edges of those trees, and that lines up pretty good. And then we've got now let's see the tops to see if these trees are the same height. We go to this one. Now I need to keep it at that one, right? Notice what happens here. This vanishing point, right, does not line up with this tree, which means are these trees the same height? No. And I think that's what the question asks next is are these trees the same height? Let me pull up that assignment real quick, and then we can scroll down there. Let's see what it says. Now investigate the trees. Are they the same height in real life? The answer would be no, right? They're not the same height in real life. If we go back to our lines that we've drawn, notice. Now, think about it. Which one is actually the taller tree? Well, it would be this one back here. This tree would be taller than this tree because this tree from the ground goes all the way up to this line. If this tree was the same height, it'd have to go all the way up to here. It doesn't, which means it's not the same height. Okay. I hope that that's helpful. If you need any further directions or understanding of this, let me know, and I will help you out. Okay. And thanks for watching.